Hey everyone, welcome back to XVolt Tech, and today I just came back from the thrift store. I bought some electronics. It's not a lot, but it sure was expensive. So, let's take a look at them. Okay, so first off I got this small package which has two Apple devices in it. It's got an iPod Touch 4 and an iPhone 5, a black one, which is really cool. This was more expensive, by the way. This was $17 because this was half off. I want to take a look at the iPod first. So I did test these in the thrift store. They do turn on. I hate that they have to stick these right on the screen. But as you can see, it does turn on. Oh god, this case sucks. There we go. Ugh, that's really freaking gross. Oh god, this has to be cleaned. As you can see, it's a 64 gig. Oh, thank god, the sticker's on the outside of the case. Ooh. Ooh. Isn't this sweet? Yeah, this does turn on. Look at that. It is on the newer iOS version. It does kind of suck. Alright, they are now both charging. I'm going to set these aside for now, actually, until one of them turns on. We're going to move on to the big boy. You can see it's a compact Windows XP era. Ooh, nice and dirty. I hate that they have to stick it right there. Why? That's how you ruin it. Oh, the iPhone 5 is turning on. Oh, and so is the iPod. Awesome. Come on, come on. Yeah, oh, passcode. Damn it. Oh. Okay, there goes the iPod. It requires a, ooh. Ooh, okay, no passcode on this one, but the iPhone's been wiped. I think this is iOS, what is it, 6? Let's see. Oh, iOS 4.2.1. There we go, 64 gig iPod. And it's called Mary Johnson Mayer. That's who owned this. December 20th, 2011. Not sure what that means. But yeah, there really is not much on this. Yeah, oh, there's videos on this. Movies. Lots of movies. Oh, wow. Sound of Music. iTunes U. Can't believe this person actually got that. High School Musical! No way! Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna play that right now. Herbie, Great Gatsby. Ooh, I've been meaning to watch that. I don't know why there's a passcode on this. But okay. Still is very sweet.
Derp.
So, you see, I got the phone wiped, and it does the setup now. However, oh no, that's not good. They sold me an iCloud locked phone. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do anything about that now. Hooray! Okay, so it's been not that long since I stopped filming before. So here I got the iPhone 5, and I'm going to, it's in DFU mode, and I'm going to try this iCloud bypass tool. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Should be doing a thing now. Oh, there we go. Oh, iTunes keeps opening. Shut up. Okay. Hit yes. Got it. Okay. There we go. Because this is the issue I keep getting, where I get a black screen, so I'm hoping, because I just restored it and put it in DFU mode immediately before, because that's what it says, immediately before attempting any RAM disk method. So I'm hoping that does it. And also, the compact over there, it wasn't working before. I got it working with this HP charger that goes to the HP Envy I've talked about in previous videos. It turns on, and I got it to work. The issue with that was it needed a new CMOS battery, so I plopped the new one in, and it works. So here I have a Windows XP Service Pack 3 Home, because that's what that one is, unlike my ThinkPad, which is XP Professional. So, should this work? I think I'm gonna move on to installing Windows XP on the compact, and we don't have to make another video on the compact. Okay, I had to try it a second time because I don't think I restored it correctly, but according to the website here, it should have a progress bar, the post-restore progress bar. And that's what it seems to be doing, because I think what I was supposed to do from the get-go was, as soon as iTunes told me the restore was done, I was supposed to put the phone back in DFU mode and then start the bypass again. So seeing as I'm getting a bar this time, if I'm lucky, it might boot me into the home screen, because I think it just skips the setup entirely, but I'm not 100% sure what I'm supposed to be seeing afterward. Oh! It completed and I heard the charge sound. No! No way! Oh my god! That worked? Oh my god. 32 gig iOS 10. Wow, I gotta censor that serial number. Wow, that is amazing. It's compact time, it seems. Okay, to show you guys I'm not lying about this whole thing with the compact, here I've got the HP plug. This charging light came on. See? It works. Okay. Gotta move all this crap out. What? Wait, there's a Windows install on this? Oh, Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, because last time I turned it on with this, I just booted straight into the BIOS. I didn't even check if there was an OS installed. Also, this disc was inside the laptop when I found it. It's just pictures of this girl from like 27... Oh. Okay. We got it. Oh my god. Oh, and there's no password too. Oh, we're in. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so funny. That is insane. It still thinks today's August 11th, 2005. Oh my god. So, yeah guys, sorry I couldn't really document too much of the actual process of getting the computer to work, as you can see right there. But right now I am installing Service Pack 3 on this so I can get it connected to my Wi-Fi. And there we go. I've gotten all 3 devices that I got from the thrift store 100% working. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.